What is this? Oh, I don't care. What is happening here? Connection problems. Probably because I'm in the garage. Hi guys! Carrie here, Hot Mish Mom. Hot Mish Dad over there. Live from the garage. And there's dust or something because I just got tickles in my nose. Here we are, sanding. Richard's getting ready to cut something. We're working on some stuff here. Let me show you. Look at how cute. Hope. That's a wreath sign. Look at this one. Mr. and Mrs. Rail. Amazing. Hello. People get married. You guys need that. Hi, Teresa. Hi, Stony. So, oh, and I got to show you what this thing is. Oh, my gosh. So, we did, hold on. I did take some pictures. I just didn't post it. Let me turn this around. Hold on. Look it. So, I'm going to do something fun with that. Finish those guys, right? So,
want me to open the garage?
yeah, open the garage, please. I want to show you what this thing is. And I'm kind of, sorry it's loud. We're opening the garage. Look at this amazing sun out here. I'm about to be blinded. So, oh my God. Look at this. I'm mad at my husband. He didn't even do any like step-by-step pictures. I'm like, I need to make this into a tutorial. This is a Hobbit Hole. They're doing the Renaissance Fair this weekend, and he's part of a group, a guild or something. Is that what it's called?
Hobbit troop.
Oh, a Hobbit troop. And he made this from scratch, you guys. Look, it has, if you guys seen The Lord of the Rings or The Hobbit, you guys know what this is about. He made the door. He did all of that. They painted it. It's insulated. Yeah, we have a crib mattress. We use that for drive-ins. Put it in the back of the truck. That, I think that's where the light goes, right?
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
So him and my son are going to be sleeping in there with comforter and, whatchamacallit, sleeping bag. Isn't that cool? So they're going to the Renaissance Fair this weekend. What? Oh, and then he made this. God, the sun is just killing my eyes right now. Let me turn this. He made this. Can you see it? No, put it in the sun. It's too dark. Please. Thank you. So, oh my God.
The other way?
Oh my God. Lord of the Rings fans, Hobbit fans. I don't even know what this says, but I'm sure he does.
Bloemfontein. That's where J.R. Tolkien was born. That's actually a city in South Africa.
Oh, nice.
J.R. Tolkien.
And then what's that? Rivendell.
Eldershire. That's actually where George Wallace, or not George Wallace, William Wallace was born.
I don't know.
And then this is Sean Connery's home, Fountain Bridge.
Oh, nice. So that's going. And then he made that little table. That's going. All cool stuff for the Renaissance Fair, right? I will not be spending the night with them. Then he made this.
Is it visible?
Yeah, I'm just, the glare on my phone is just killing me. Oh my gosh, I need to go back inside. I couldn't see, it was like too much. He made that too, but look at this, isn't that cool? Can you, that's the food lineup for the Hobbits. Breakfast, second breakfast, what does that say? 11sies, lunch, afternoon tea, dinner, and supper. Isn't that cool? So all kinds of stuff. In case you guys didn't know, we're kind of nerdy.
Oh.
We love all that. But I am not spending the night in no Hobbit Hole and Renaissance Fair. No, thank you. Not gonna happen. But we're just doing stuff here. I just saw it's 12 o'clock. Isn't that crazy? Again, let me show you the stuff that we got going on there. So, a little bit inside the garage here. Can't wait for that Hobbit Hole to be out of here so we can get some other stuff done. He just gave me a look. Anyways. Okay. Just want to jump on because you know I'm on vacation this week. So, and then next week I only work Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then I'm off. I'm retired from the cubicle forever. Hopefully forever. So let me show you this again. I just sealed it. I painted it the other day. Cool. I think I'm going to do that tonight on the live. Hi, Mom. Hi, Linda. And that's it so far. I don't think I have anything else to share. Linda says hi, babe. Oh, see that sun? Oh my gosh. It was cloudy yesterday, and now there's like barely any clouds out. So yes, we spray sealed it. I have this glitter sealer, and the glitter doesn't really show up, but I don't want to put another coat on it, so we'll see. It just adds like a little shimmer to it. So, okay, that's it. I will see you guys later. Hi, Carla. I'll see you guys later. We got some more sanding to do and more boards and stuff, and he's waiting for me to finish so he can start his machine up because it's super loud. Okay, bye.